What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Guys, we got Nvidia earnings out the way. They touched at least $1,000. I love to see it, guys. Listen, I want to hear all about your day, but listen, I got a jam-packed video for you guys also. So please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Loving on a family to kick off today's video. This one is titled The Money Team AMD Update. Troy Ward tapping in, guys. Troy, if you see this, I want to say major salute in advance. He said, "What's up, coach? It's Troy from the Money Team. I followed the play that was called in the huddle and purchased AMD at the levels you told us to, around 162.30 or 164. Utilizing the 165 call option, I ended up selling with a 70% gain. I wasn't greedy and took profits. I can't wait for the next one. Let's go, the Money Team." I love everything about this, guys. He ran the play to a T. I tell you guys all the time, when you are learning to trade, when you are trading, whatever, guys, it's important to know your levels, respect the levels. One thing about the Money Team, he got in at 162, 164. He's up 70%. It pays for itself. If you getting 70% on your plays, 100%, 300%, guys, it takes care of itself. But it comes down to getting your entry right so that you can maximize that gain. Everything Troy did, I love. More importantly, he said, "I didn't get greedy. I took profits." So oftentimes, guys, we'll lead you to a home run. We'll lead you to an awesome base hit, but we won't lock in the profits. And then that same successful play, somebody can then run and say, "Oh, it didn't work because we didn't really do what we were supposed to do when it got to the level." I love this, Troy. I want to say major salute, man, and thank you so much for sharing. And anybody else that did their thing on today, we're going to talk all about it momentarily. Let me know down in the comments below. Listen, guys, we had Nvidia earnings that was the most anticipated of the earnings seasons that was left to go, guys, and they absolutely crushed it. At the time of this recording, guys, they're sitting up at $1,002.99, 85 cents. It just moved, but ticker symbol NVDA. They were down on the day, but in after hours and after they reported earnings, they are up another $54 or a little bit over 5%. A couple rule of thumbs that you need to know: you must take profit at market open or this play will be a losing play, unfortunately. Look at this, guys. Everybody look at after hours, 5.62%. If this doesn't get to 7%, then your options, the implied volatility, is going to eat it up. So you guys need to hope that this is a little higher than $1,000 and it must be over 7%. If not, you're going to quickly see, if you try to be greedy, overstay your welcome, you guys are going to see your play actually lose. Okay, so be mindful. There's so much I got to teach you guys about seeing profit, taking profit, and not overstaying your welcome. Also, for everybody else, stocks will fly tomorrow. Okay, then they're going to come down, then they're going to run back up to about 1 o'clock. Okay, when they fly, they have a time period, they have an expiration date. They're not going to just go up all day. So again, lock in some profits, lock in profits right away at market open. Let the runners run to 1 o'clock, because even those will eventually not do their thing as well. The whole goal is, guys, when you see profit, lock it in. If you have done that and you've done a job well done, please reward yourself by making sure you do that. Shout out to every single person that is in Nvidia, whether you have shares or whether you have call options. Okay, I just want to say major salute. I have both in this, but my shares, I've been getting this at around 8:30. I wanted more at 7:30. It didn't get that low, but I'm nevertheless happy with what I do have. Again, check this one out. A rising tide lifts all boats. I can't stress that enough. Nvidia is going to lift these next few stocks I'm going to share with you guys on tomorrow. Listen, but you can't overstay your welcome. By 1 o'clock, all the flying going to be done. Okay, then the market gonna come back to reality. The euphoria gonna be over. Everybody be back from lunch break on Wall Street, and then these plays will come right back down. Some of them, okay. So listen, this will fly tomorrow. This is AMD, ticker symbol AMD. You saw Troy talk about this. This is a money team play. We had this very low this week, and it is up huge already. And so again, guys, I want to say major salute. It's going to run a little bit more. Look at this level right here. Look to see that 169, 170 get cleared on tomorrow, but then be looking to again lock in profits. You can always let your runners run, but the bulk and majority of your position, lock some of that in. It's okay if it run off and you say, man, I could have stayed in it, it ran a little higher. Trust me, you will thank me later once you try to overstay your welcome and then it reverses on you and then it comes down. But nevertheless, guys, the trend is your friend. The trend will still be up, but there'll be levels that it go to before it begins to kind of balance out. All I want you to do is take part in it, make your money, but make sure you protect yourself at the same time, okay? This is another one that will fly on tomorrow as a beneficiary of Nvidia, okay? Another one is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. They took the day off today. Currently sitting at 190, was sitting as high as 192 when I really saw it. Yep, 192.80 is where I saw it at earlier today, and they came on down. This is a nice level to hold. So if we can get a bounce from this level of support and get back to 192.80, if we clear 192.80, I told you guys 194 is on deck. Again, allowed levels, aka hurdles, to be cleared before these things are to be enacted, okay? Don't just think it's going to 194 and it don't even get back to 192. Don't work like that, okay? Same with this next one, Tesla. Remember I taught you guys yesterday, we got a big play potentially coming up. It was sitting way at 187. I said it's going to come all the way down to 178. Look at this, 2AT. Came all the way down to 178, just like I told you it would, okay? Thanks to Nvidia, you guys that got in at the right buy zone. If this takes part tomorrow, this is going to go back to 180. And if the momentum really comes in between 9:30 and 1 o'clock tomorrow, ain't no telling where this will shoot to if we get momentum to the upside, okay? The other buy zone below 178 is 173 for the same thing to take place. Again, if 173 don't hold, we abort the play, all right? Major salute to those of you guys that did your thing on today, man. Listen, Nvidia was the main event. That was what the whole market was basing its premise around, on whether or not it wanted to go up or down. And because Nvidia delivered again, they are now sitting at over $1,000, even though they got a 10-to-1 stock split coming up, okay? So that stock will come down to around $100 or $90 once that takes place on June 6th, I believe. All right, but listen, guys, you have to be in this game for the long haul, okay? You'll have ups and downs. You'll have things that go your way, things that don't go your way. But if you can stay with it, if you can be part of the plays that are proven time and time again, you're going to get rewarded. Maybe not every time, but most of the time, okay? Nvidia has been, again, delivering time after time. Everybody keeps wanting to go against this, and they keep just proving Wall Street and everybody else wrong time and time again. And so again, be on the winning team, be on the right side of these trades, okay? It makes a difference, okay? So again, I want you guys to make sure you are trading with a plan, okay? I don't care what plays you choose to play. Whatever you do, though, have a strategy around why you're doing what you're doing, okay? Know where you want to take profit at. Know where you want to cut your losses at. Know how much money you desire to make, okay? All those things matter on the journey, okay? I can't stress it enough. Also, with that being said, guys, remember, you need to use every pullback in a bull market as a buying opportunity, especially if you get some 5 to 7% pullbacks. You need to look at like, okay, this is my time to shine. This is my time to get in. This is my time. I missed the train this time. This is my time to get back on the train the next time. Okay, we will have some run-ups, but we will eventually cool off as well. So I'm going to always prepare you for both sides of the spectrum. But in the meantime, the trend is our friend. The trend is headed up. So is us. Okay, it's up from here, guys. We're gonna have another phenomenal day in the market tomorrow. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. I will give you the levels for SPY as well as Tesla. I already told you guys, look for Nvidia, AMD, Apple, and Tesla to run on tomorrow as a result of the euphoria associated with Nvidia. Okay, a rising tide lifts all boats. And so again, don't overstay your welcome though. Make your money. If you're not in it already, if you are in it, sell at market open just to lock in that initial pop. Everybody else, if you get in after market open, you're going to have a nice 9:30, 10, 11, 12. You're going to have a nice little 4-hour window to get busy, okay? And after that, lock in profits because the market is going to shift from Nvidia and then focus back on inflation, focus back on the Feds, focus back on all the other stuff that could then make it be a little bit choppy before we go higher, okay? It's a process. You must understand that on your journey, all right? With that being said, phenomenal job today. Don't rest on your laurels. Let's get ready to do it all again tomorrow. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.